Hello, my name is Tanvi and my student ID is 33137905. My presentation is on risk management in FedEx for the module Data Science Insights for Decision Making. I will discuss the risk FedEx faces, its risk management strategies and critical assets. This analysis highlights how FedEx ensures resilience and long-term success in global logistics. Now, the purpose of the study is that the study focuses on identifying key risks such as financial, operational, and cybersecurity risk in FedEx operations. It explains how FedEx risk management framework helps mitigate these risks effectively. It also covers the company's management of critical assets like brand reputation and logistics networks. The company was founded in 1971. It specializes in global logistics and delivery services. The company operates in 220 plus countries, offering express transportation, ground shipping, and commerce logistics. It is recognized for its on-time delivery and advanced technology tracking systems. FedEx emphasizes sustainability with fuel-efficient vehicles and has its headquarters in Memphis, Tennessee. Now we'll look at the risk management in FedEx. FedEx uses advanced systems to identify risk in its logistics and supply chain. Operational risks are reduced through contingency planning and robust infrastructure. Cybersecurity measures like encryption, firewalls, and audits protect operations and customer data. Financial risks are mitigated by diversified revenue streams and cost control. External risks like market turbulence and geopolitical changes are closely monitored. Next is risk management framework. The risk management framework is first strategic risk management. In this, the company identifies long-term risk like market competition and shifts. Its operational risk management uses AI-driven tools to optimize supply chains and address disruptions. Its financial risk hedging, it handles the currency fluctuations and pricing instability with data forecasting. The compliance risk management, it ensures its adherence to safety, trade, and environmental regulations. The cybersecurity risk management protects the company against any cyber attacks using advanced tools and redundancy measures. Now we look at issues and challenges, which is risk register. The first critical risk for FedEx is rising fuel cost. The rising fuel cost can affect the operational expense of the company, which will increase the transportation and logistic cost. The second threat is rising cybersecurity threat, which may expose the sensitive information of its customer to publicly, and it will affect the customer trust and operations. And it can also disrupt critical operations of the company. Third point is environmental non-compliance, which might lead to legal penalties such as imposing hefty fines and legal penalties, reputation damage of the company. Next is increased competition from regional logistic companies. Any increased competition such as providing better quality at cheaper rates will affect in lowering the market share of FedEx. So this can also be a huge threat for the company. These risks require constant monitoring and proactive mitigation strategies. These risk mitigation strategies are as follows. The risk arising for the rising fuel cost, the company can use fuel efficient vehicles and explore alternative energy sources. They can track fuel prices and review efficiency quarterly. The cybersecurity breaches can be secured by using cybersecurity infrastructure enhancement and train employees. Regularly reviewing their security systems and performing penetration tests can also help. For environmental non-compliance, the company can use sustainable fuels and adopt green logistics practices. They can also conduct biannual audits and monitor carbon emissions. For increased competition safety, the company can use different services through technology and customer loyalty programs. They can increase their customer base and protect themselves from the competition. For labor shortages, the company can improve their recruitment, and they can also use retention programs where they can offer competitive wages and all other facilities for their workers. They can monitor their workforce trends semi-annually. The critical assets of the company are as follows. First is the brand reputation, which is very essential for maintaining customer trust. Second is supply chain network. Integrated operations ensure efficient global delivery. Digital infrastructure. Advanced systems support tracking and operations. For customer data, which holds sensitive information, it requires strict protection. Fleet assets. Vehicles and aircraft are very critical assets for the operations of the company. Any loss or damage to these assets can disrupt operations and impact the revenue. Now for the conclusion, FedEx has a strong operational framework focused on innovation and reliability. Its risk management strategies address challenges like cybersecurity, threats, competition, and fuel costs. Critical assets like logistics networks and brand reputation drive its growth. By focusing on technology and sustainability, FedEx can overcome these future challenges. Now, there are some recommendations. First is the company can use AI tools to advanced analytics to improve supply chain visibility. The company can enhance their cybersecurity to protect digital infrastructure and customer data. And they can adopt more sustainable practices to align with global environmental standards. Moreover, they can innovate their customer engagement strategies to gain market share and foster cross-cultural collaboration to improve decision making and risk reduction. Thank you for listening to my presentation.